In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink text in Canva. If you've ever wanted to add that extra touch of professionalism to your designs, linking text can be a powerful tool. It's perfect for creating interactive documents, presentations, or encouraging viewers to visit a specific website or page. First, open your design in Canva. Once your project is displayed, select the text you want to hyperlink by clicking on the text box. This ensures the text is highlighted and ready for adjustments. You'll notice a floating toolbar appears above or near the text box. Click on the three little dots indicating more options to reveal additional features. In the expanded menu, select the link option. A small window will pop up asking for the URL or the page you wish to link. You can connect your text to a web page, another page in your document, or even an email address. Input the desired URL or select the page you want to connect. Double check the link to ensure it's correct. Once satisfied, click Done to finalize your hyperlink. Your text is now an interactive element within your design. Here's a tip. When linking within a multi-page Canva document, use clear and descriptive text for your links. For example, instead of "click here," write "view our pricing" or "see chapter 2." This improves navigation and makes your document more user-friendly. You can also combine hyperlinks with buttons or icons to make them visually stand out. For example, adding a Learn More button with a hyperlink can guide viewers directly to your website or sign-up page, increasing engagement. Remember to save your work and test the link to confirm it's functioning properly. Test it on different devices if possible to ensure the experience is smooth for everyone. And there you have it, just a few simple steps to hyperlink text in Canva. This skill not only encourages user interaction, but also gives your designs a polished professional touch. Try experimenting with different types of links, like internal navigation, email addresses, or external websites to fully leverage this feature. Thanks for watching and happy designing.